This is just fantastic. The fact that we have this AI, this opportunity to help us throughout our journey to learn programming is just fantastic. So how you can use ChatGPT to help you with your coding and help you fix, or if there's any wrong and what's wrong, and if there's something wrong in your code, how you can use ChatGPT to help you doing that. And here I have a very, very, very simple code. It's literally that's when you start learning programming, you're probably gonna learn this, or it's just very simple. But anyways, I just typed here a mistake, and then I just said here, could you please tell me what's wrong with this code? And I just pasted this simple code, and then ChatGPT is just gonna tell me there is a typo in the code. Style should be style. I just on purpose I written in the wrong way, style, so ChatGPT just corrected it and just told me about this error in this code, about this problem, and now it's actually telling you and it's showing you the right way. So yeah, that's how you do it. Just make sure you write, could you please tell me what's wrong with my code, with this code, and then just paste your code. Even if your code it's long, it doesn't matter. ChatGPT will still look for the problem in your code, right? So I really hope you found this short tutorial helpful. I just decided to create more beginners friendly tutorials in a really short format, so you can find the solution in a really short amount of time. So I really hope you learned something. Make sure you subscribe, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.